Here we have a problem on indices, that is we have to simplify the given expression. Okay, let me rewrite the given expression. That is 6th root of a to the power of 4b x to the power of 6 times a to the power of 2 divided by 3 times x to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of minus b. Okay, here to simplify the given expression, what we can do is we can change the 6th root as exponent. If I change the 6th root as exponent, it will become 1 over 6, that is a to the power of 4b times x to the power of 6 whole to the power of 1 over 6, 1 divided by 6 times a to the power of 2 divided by 3 times x to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of minus b. Here two terms are multiplied and we have the common exponent 1 by 6. Whenever terms are multiplied and we have the common exponent, what we can do is we can distribute the exponent to each terms separately. So we get, when I distribute 1 by 6 to the term a to the power of 4b, I'll get a to the power of 4b whole to the power of 1 divided by 6 and x to the power of 6 whole to the power of 1 by 6. The same thing I can do here. Then I'll get a to the power of 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus b, x to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of minus b. Okay, now we can multiply these two exponents based on the laws of exponents. That is a to the power of 4b times 1 divided by 6 will be 4b divided by 6 and x to the power of 6 divided by 6 when I multiply these two exponents. So here a to the power of minus 2b by 3 and here x to the power of plus b when I multiply minus 1 and minus b. Okay, now in the next process, in the next step, what we can do is we can simplify this fraction 4 divided by 6. So 2 goes into 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So I get a to the power of 2b by 3 times x to the power of 6 divided by 6 will be 1, a to the power of minus 2b by 3 x to the power of b. Okay, now we can multiply the terms with the same base. Here the base is a, here the base is a. So according to one of the laws of exponents, if we multiply two terms with the same base, so what we need to do is we have to take the base once and we have to add the exponents. So 2b by 3 minus 2b by 3, and when I multiply these two terms, I have to take the base once x, then I add the exponent 1 plus b. Okay, so here, so the value of 2b minus 3 minus 2b by 3 will become 0, that is a to the power of 0 and x to the power of 1 plus b. Okay, the value of a to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times x to the power of 1 plus b will be x to the power of 1 plus b. So when I simplify the given expression, I get x to the power of 1 plus b.